Hey Service, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's the girl Gisha underscore everything, and today I am back with another video. Yes. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but the fan is on because it is hot here in H-Town, and it's very hot here, so I have to have my water. Y'all be seeing me sipping on some agua. It's blazing hot here. Y'all be sweating, and it is really hot. So my apologies if you cannot hear me, but if you can hear me, give a huge thumbs up. Today we are doing a video reaction to Gabriel Henrique, Easy on Me Baby. It's not easy on me baby, but it's Gabriel Henrique, Easy on Me. Yes. Yeah, no, I'm always reacting to Gabriel Henrique. He's one of the top artists that I love to react to, so why not keep the show going. And all my Gabriel fans out there, toodles to you. And without further ado, let's get straight into this video.
I know this hope in these waters, but I can't bring myself to swim the I-20 in this solace, baby. Let me go ease on me, baby. I was never a child, didn't get the chance to leave the world around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me. Better we know for all things to change. We are both so deeply stuck in our ways. You can't deny how hard I've tried. I changed who I was to put you both first, but now I give up. Go ease on me, baby.
love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. Ooh, ooh. I love it. Yes. You know, he never let it stop. I love it. I love this music video so much. Like, oh, child. Yes, y'all. I love this video so much, y'all. I just give it a huge thumbs up already. I give it a huge thumbs up already. So make sure that you guys give it a huge thumbs up because this video is, wow, this video is so good. Like, it is so good. Like, I love this video so much. Like, Gabriel Henrique easy on me. 100% love it. So if you love this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure to like it, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Yes, I'm trying to talk loud because the fan is on and I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, but yes. So make sure that you join this service cruise, baby, because you know what, we're going on a fun adventure, y'all. We are going on a fun adventure. So make sure that you join the service cruise. Yes. And it's all without further ado, I'll see you guys next video. Bye.